Okay, a very good afternoon, everyone. It's good to be here, and I stand on existing protocols, but also especially to recognize our regulators, representative from Bank of Ghana, and also to thank our hosts, senior executives of UBA. My name is Emmanuel Ojo, CEO of RegTech Limited. And RegTech is the fintech arm of United Bank of Africa, for those that are not aware. And it was good to see some fintech representatives up here on the stage. I thought I was coming to Ghana to relax and take a break from the Nigerian jollof rice and have some Ghana jollof rice. But Emmanuel Ojo put me on the spot. And I said I wasn't prepared. He said, no, you are AI. You can do it. So you just, So you helped to build the solution, so come and do the official launch. We've come a long way in the digital space. And again, it's an honor to be in Ghana, which is one of the 10 largest economies in Africa. You have a very solid growing GDP of about 80 to 100 billion dollars, with your population of over 35 million and thereabout. I think your digital transaction, as I was looking at it, should be in the space of about over 3.5 trillion Ghana cedis. So I won't go into stats. I'm a numbers person. Like someone mentioned, my dear colleague, MD of Investment Banking of United Capital, has already shown you guys the stats, so I will not bore you. But I'll come from a pragmatic sense. FinTech has evolved over time. We have developed a lot of solutions, particularly in the collection space for merchants, for SMEs. And the virtual account is yet another solution that we are bringing to Africa. First, I'd like to talk a little bit about RegTech and how we are an intersection within UBA and also the fintech ecosystem. RegTech is one of the leading financial technology companies in Africa. In recent times, thanks to Financial Times, we were graded as one of the fastest growing fintechs in Africa, I think rated number 15. Thank you. We're established in the midst of a very massive conglomerate, which is Hess Holdings. We must also thank our chairman, Mr. Tony Elumelu, CFR, for giving us this opportunity to express our talent. Our people are our greatest assets in RegTech. There isn't anything that cannot be duplicated, except for the intellects that work with you every day. Today, we have built very matured systems that is able to process a monthly transaction volume of about $3 billion monthly. And that speaks a lot. We've also, the solution that we'll be formally launching today was launched last year in Nigeria, and has been able to do a collection worth of about 650 billion naira for UBA. I think this is a point where you clap as well. The solution cuts across two categories. There's dynamic and static. In total, UBA has been able to issue over 1 million accounts of virtual accounts, which is currently supporting the fintech ecosystem in Nigeria. And we thought it best to also expand it to Ghana. What problem are we solving? As I mentioned, there are multiple alternative delivery channels in the fintech space. Let me give you a practical example of a situation where Emmanuel Ojo went to Hilton Hotel and UBA transferred money on his behalf to pay for his accommodation. Upon getting there, they found it difficult to get evidence of his payment. Then he made a call to Emmanuel Ojo because we are namesakes and said, Emmanuel, you need to fix this problem for me. And we said, okay, let us think about it. And then we thought about the virtual account solution. So how does it solve the problem? With the virtual account solution, once there's a transfer, the front desk officer is empowered, whereby when you get to the front desk and you say, my name is Emmanuel Ojo, it punches up your name on a system and your transaction details comes up. You could either mention Emmanuel Ojo or you mention the person that sent the money on your behalf as UBA, and everything comes, and then he gives you your card and you go to your room. What's the difference? Before now, you'll probably have to stay at the front desk for about 20 to 30 minutes. They will snap the picture of your transaction receipt. If you are lucky that your head of accounts gives it to you, your payment record to the invoice. So it brings about accuracy. It's also able to provide you real-time reconciliation as well, and also able to provide data integrity. When I say data integrity is that today businesses are evolving and we tend to layer multiple solutions on the solutions that we give to MSMEs. As a result of virtual account, financial institutions are confident to even empower fintechs or merchants with quick credit services, whereby you don't have to wait for 1 month or 2 weeks. And as well, for fintechs, you are able to provide this solution to your end consumer, which are your customers. What are the scenarios? We have a lot of mobile apps out there. With a virtual account, it makes it easy for you to integrate, and then you can provide a solution of receiving money from your customers. I believe that with this solution, it will change the game for fintechs in Ghana and beyond. Having said this, let me read out my official speech that I wrote while sitting there. Again, good day, distinguished guests, partners, and esteemed customers. It is with great honor that I welcome you to this formal launch of RedTech's virtual account solution for UBA Ghana. Today marks a significant milestone in our shared journey to strengthening digital banking in Ghana. At RedTech, we believe that financial services should be secure, efficient, and easily accessible. And through the partnership with UBA Ghana, we are taking a clear step forward, delivering exactly that. The virtual account solution introduced today is designed to help businesses and customers manage payments with greater control and visibility. It enables seamless allocation of incoming funds, supports improved reconciliation, and enhances the overall payment experience for stakeholders, benefiting individuals, corporate entities, and institutions alike. We recognize that trust is earned through reliability and performance. That is why the solution has been developed with a strong focus on security and compliance, operational efficiency, accurate payment tracking and reconciliation, a better digital experience for users. To UBA Ghana and our valued customers, thank you for your confidence, collaboration, and commitment to innovation. Your support has been instrumental in bringing the solution to fruition. To our stakeholders and guests, we invite you to join us in leveraging this new capability to grow smoother payment operations, reduce friction in collections, and unlock improved financial outcomes. On behalf of the entire Hess Holdings and United Bank of Africa and Ghana, UBA Ghana, I'm delighted to officially launch the virtual account solution for UBA Ghana. We look forward to seeing this value with you we deliver today and years ahead. Thank you very much.